got two planes. Boom, boom. Now when I think of planes, I think of vectors. So we're going to convert these into vectors to find our normal vector so that we can plug that in our parametric equation. So we have -8, -12, 13. Next vector, -3, -7, 4. Now with these two vectors, we're going to cross product them, and we're going to get our cross product vector. All right, now we have our normal vector here, so now we want to find points for our parametric equations. So I'm going to do it like so. So we have these two planes. Okay, so we're going to lay it out like this. Okay, once we lay it out, we want to equal x equals 0. And in this case, in my case, this is what I want to do. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply the bottom by 13 over 4 so we can cancel out our z's in this situation. So this is what it's going to look like. All right, so this is what we get now. And for us to be able to cancel out z, we're going to have to put negative on the bottom. Once we put negative, you're going to see that these negatives turn into positive. This positive turns into a negative, which cancels out the 13 z's. And now we're going to try to find, y. So in order for us to find y, we're now going to add these two together, or in this case, kind of subtract. And this is going to be and once you figure out what is what, all right, so now we came from here, we went over here, and now we're down here. And obviously we know it's going to equal 1. Y equals -1. And then we're going to try to plug in y and find our z. In this case, though, when we plug in y, we're going to use this bottom one here. So -7 times -1 plus 4z is equal to -1. Z is equal to -2 in this case. And so now we have our 2 points, or sorry, we have our points and we have our vector. So now we can find our parametric equations. So our vector is 43, -7, 20. Our points are going to be these 3 points right there. 0, -1, -2. So now we're going to plug this in. All right, thank you for watching. This is our final result here, and good luck.